In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install Luminar Neo. By the end, you'll have the app downloaded, installed, and activated on either Windows or Mac with no guesswork. Before we begin, make sure you have a stable internet connection and a little free space on your computer. This helps the download and installation go smoothly. Start by going to the official Skylum website. It's important to use the official source so you get the latest, safest version of Luminar Neo. Click to download Luminar Neo. Your browser will save the installer to your downloads folder by default. On Windows, you'll typically see a file ending in .exe. On a Mac, you'll usually get a .dmg file or an installer package. Once the download is complete, open your downloads folder. On Windows, double-click the Luminar Neo setup.exe file to start. If Windows asks for permission to make changes, click Yes. This is a normal security prompt that allows the installer to run. On a Mac, double-click the downloaded file to open it, then follow the prompts in the installer window that appears. During setup, you'll be asked to accept the license terms. Take a moment to review them, then click Accept or Agree to continue. You may also be offered a choice of where to install the app. If you're not sure, the default location is recommended and works for most users. Go ahead and click Install to begin. At this point, the installer will copy everything it needs to your computer. This can take a few minutes depending on your system, so just let it run and avoid closing the window or putting your computer to sleep. When installation finishes, you'll see an option to launch Luminar Neo right away. Click Launch to open the app. If you're on a Mac and don't see a launch button, you can open Luminar Neo from your Applications folder like any other app. The first time Luminar Neo opens, you'll be prompted to sign in or activate. Log in with your Skylum account if you already have one. If you purchased a license, you can enter it here. If you're trying it out, choose the trial option. Make sure you're online, then wait a moment while the app activates. Once activation completes, you'll land on the main interface and you're ready to start exploring your photos. That's it. You've downloaded the installer, run it, completed setup, launched the app, and activated your copy of Luminar Neo. Enjoy creating, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.